scheme. Cones in a chicaning, lane just disappears. Car in front brakes late, my life in my mirrors. These potholes of Trafford keep swallowing my dreams. Wheels hit the crater, spill my tea on the seat. I'm swerving through chaos, from Old Trafford to the Keys. These potholes of Trafford are taking bits of me. White van warrior cuts across the line, indicating I must have been a sign. Temporary lights that never turn to green. Roadwork since last year, still the same old scene. These potholes of Trafford keep swallowing my dreams. Wheels hit the crater, spill my tea on the seat. I'm stuck at the roadworks, from Urmston to Saley's. These potholes of Trafford are taking bits of me. One day I'll find a smooth stretch of road, cruise past the cones like it's paved in gold. Oh yeah. Till then I'm praying every bump I feel it's just a rattle, not another wheel. These potholes of Trafford keep swallowing my dreams. Wheels hit the crater, spill my tea on the seat. From the Trafford Center back to my terrace street. These potholes of Trafford are taking bits of me.